Well, this was actually a human rights march, and I wanted to make it like more, like it's not about war, it's about peace. My name is Erez Kaganovitz. I'm the person behind Humans of Tel Aviv. When you're traveling abroad, the first question that somebody's probably going to ask you is, where are you from? What I wanted to do in this project was to show the diversity and the multiculturalism and the vibrant civil society that we have back home in Israel.
I thought it was really unique that a lot of students that go here, also me, we got to see a different version of Israel.
In the bottom line, it doesn't matter if you're Christian or you're Muslim or Jewish. Everybody is a human being.
I think that just asking random people on the street about how they're doing in a very interesting way to get someone's point of view on life.
I hope my students got to experience how art can impact everybody and how different people can come together.
When you know the story of other people, you realize that
we're all basically the same at the core.